currencies, let's just come over and look at the US dollar. So we got this sharp sell-off off the 886 retrace yesterday, which was on the Fed waffling on or whatever. It does not invalidate a last push up at the moment. You need to take out a minimum of the this low here at 96.30 and then confirm by taking out 96.04. So still slightly uncertain, and therefore same in the euro. At the moment, the euro, we have come up and hit the 618 retrace of this move down here. I'm looking for a final drop still in the euro. Take out 114.73 and I'm wrong, and we're going up in the euro. And we'll need to look to try and find an entry for the wave 2 up if possible, if we can find a decent one. And cable, no change. It's just milling around in a tight range at the lows. Take out 126.62 and we're already in the 3 down, and I would sell a pullback that held below 132.91. Otherwise, I'm still looking for this C of 2 up. US dollar, Japanese yen, I've added some extra detail to the micro count. I'm looking for it just to drop down to 112.96 or 112.71 and then up, and then another 4-5 to finish this 3 off. The 3 in this diagonal has become quite complex, but at the moment still holding the pattern. Australian dollar, this thing, I think we have to work on the basis this too is more likely in than not at this point. It's not certain, that's for sure, but if it is, it's a question of trying to get an entry. We've taken out this high here. This looks like a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 to me, with a last 4, 5 in a diagonal for the 5th still needed. If we see that and pull back, I'm going to be tempted to go long this thing. But I'm going to take a closer look at this chart over the weekend, assuming that it doesn't just take off before then, and see. But it's proving difficult to get an entry in this.